a lawyer. Me kasa as a lawyer.
Okay. Ma wrap up the discussion. Otukoro, then the
former president, you know, Mami.
No, sir, I know they will say a reckless and of course a desperation.
Irresponsible.
Irresponsible. Now also or out of desperation. Or my desperate. Otukoro.
Reckless, irresponsible.
And desperate. Otukoro.
And a hallmark of a desperate politician.
I hear. Otukoro.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Apart from these three adjectives, they are describable former president. They comment, you know, Ojidi said he knows something better. Nim as ordinary. A learned man knows something better than Nim in terms of compilation.
What is reckless, irresponsible? Any
yeah.
Any near President Kufuado Eka Enra.
He only referred to the former president.
Yes. Who is sitting president? Sitting president, Ghana assume Bienina Ekurao. Obeso Manumuna assume Bio. It is so reckless and irresponsible and desperate because of your political survivor. You throw that piece that you inherited to the dogs. Over to nature. Now, in some na no bri boy kai me blame no na no bri boy no on shada anya elections expert na ni di elections ati enti no anya mani bi wa won tiase on say ipac kra no on shada my ipac enti no o menye so
but you have to waste my time on baby unprofitable venture
enti ni man won tiase that reports yeah after justice this year crab committee. What they said in the report, which I have some here, and I will report on technical committee year 2011, and sana yede ecoye procurement for new register. What we said was that we were building a register that will stay forever, permanent register. Justice VCIC Club Committee the step towards building a permanent register is on course because there is no problem with the current register. Supreme Court has ruled that will be the NHIS here registration free. So there should be a joint party committee that will work on the process for removing all the names. Because I me know you want memu hanomo. Ye sam ko fuina efrimu. Ema wo kwan se wo mu ensa enko register. And the cleaning register no of those people. Never anywhere in any report of the Electoral Commission have they ever mentioned say register ni bloated. Now, nienti omuntimi nkasa ane say register no the thumbprint and the thumbprint so say we dey register na say we dey document bia nipa baako entimi manage empie mu mienu nipa ni wu a wo de thumbprint ko obi ntimi use fa to aba ma no. That is the idea behind this particular register. It's in your one is a very limited registration. Nanyeti and pay me who said I know Bribo I want elections at the cry I want to know and the thing come friend in the first place and say what's in new regions and you create a new register. Jesus Christ. New regions and you will create a new register. And you me think o think me police station me to abano esesa na police station ni dey sesa me kokoro moti sesa me tom print na wo machine so na esesa ni ewo mo ane say geographical location how the line abeto ntem so osisi afri na kono obe frɛ ha oti free na kono obe frɛ ha no mo voter region. It has nothing to do with the register. Na na me desa say oka say na nya no the other two district level election no added to the other two district level election na problem amba because it has nothing to do with the register. That police station creation and the constituency creation so who create here police stations na wo na ye to aba no oho a na ye kwa akoto aba na ne be different say e bia ye bantama ana say ye menhia ne achamu menhia no for menhia south. Baby, I to about say copy or mention offer. Na free na kono wo mention no. How does it change your register? I think it's a register. Mrabia ni your constitution Actually say demarcation of constituency and our regions go and create a new regime.
I see.
Well,
former
electoral commission for no Omunya Nsem no. Womo enka saade because almost all lawyer.
Yeah.
Did not an ankasa to a lawyer.
Yeah.
When him say reason way you no free boy confirm reason way.
Okay.
Ye Kenya na say. Yentia yes electoral commission. One say nasa adwumadie ya wodi. Afa wo ye na bi ambre o man mu enemy say. Se o hwe ni dwumadie a wodi a eye the constitution adwuma na oye.
Okay.
NDC for nka say enye the constitution adwuma. But our constitution adwuma na afarigan ye and all this is first register 2003.
Okay.
The same constitution na afarigan use year 2012 and the this is register 2012 year registration. But no ne dia no ye no. Political parties ni na have a class. Ni na ye the adwin bae. Yenye ni say yefa we si ha yefa we sha yenye no say de be ya obi ntimi register mienu and yenina yenya nsem ye ba consensus and ye two anamon what is say no be resistance during 2012 registration.
Okay.
Obi anya resistance.
Okay.
Obi anya argument.
Otukono
ma Charlotte say me ni abibo. Ma Charlotte say MPP for ne akufo ado mo ne so. Now wo mo hye Charlotte say so register no. That time no na constitution is different.
Okay.
That time no na kire say wo mo betimi a kire ne Charlotte say nya na. Na kire sa.
Okay.
But wo mo yes ade no.
Okay.
Wo mo yes ade no. Charlotte say eti abejoku e ma parties ni nyina egbe de o masem ebetu da. Ye nyina twe be like. Ye mo bi a time e ma ni kire mu mako. Ye wie na abajoku no e de ne report betu da. Obodo mo report betu da Charlotte say nja ni ho. Ye inter-party committee for electoral reforms. Kwabre Japan, Mark Menu, General Mosquito, various political parties representatives. And we try electoral reform. We try report to be Hanomo. Many work we proposals for electoral reforms. Document almost 22-page document. Actually, electoral reforms. Emma, the electoral commission documents no started so the year. Emma was a such as maybe and no crowd amount of buildings have VMX system, various district offices. IFN online system. Said a bear nipa 18 years. I won't try registration time crowd, Anna. Ako register.
Okay.
So I get here. You know, Tanya when you now as an electoral commission, I am the Juma between it.
Okay.
But we'll go by and I pack a crowd over trouble.
Okay.
I pack no old friend any ending come up. When the party is a problem so now, yeah, Tom according to Jenny, it's any own phobia, fire, I know as one hour by. Yes, me Tom young electoral commission, do money and
Muba advised said the former president to apologize. That was our comment, our canon. Considering who we are a baby. Oh. But at least I'm who be here. You as you know. Hoyaba home.
Mama, some no kind of wasu. That's so no crowd can get to him. Okay, get to him.
I see.
Because in your country, Yahoo or Yen say, or Yen say, and him say, ya, Tawa, and him say, ya, Yanka, no two. It's our one, I'll be blaming.
Okay.
I'll blame me.
Okay.
And I'll be blaming.
Lawyer,
blaming.
Okay. Lawyer Bribuahin. The NDC for so the NDC class he was charitable. And why be your friend no Kovia Santi Mamintio?
The who after my court of Romatina Court. NDC as a party, Romatina Court. And yet the this was to go on a Ghana Marahan from the electoral commission. It's taking a decision on Kosoto IPAC. And Afarija, a consultum, it's immaterial. The fact that legally it's not proper. Doesn't mean that yeah, proper.
You should emrane wo hon so mo
na
ba ko ese wo no
Kofi we better the producer otukono mamintie obriboahin lawyer mamintie
1992 MPP for boycott elections no Ghana Nhyira. The electoral commission is saying these are the things Nyama made there. On Tiasia or court. Cases
the realities of the
Abu Ramadan. Chobe, demonstration, I don't know much. They play to the gallery.
Yeah, got you.
They play to the gallery. No, what would I say? You're the bar. President Mahama, what's your Bama? You know the rule of law. I don't know court. Why are you not going to court? President Mahama, but I would hear me.
Mitiopa.
I'm the President Mahama call court to 2012 or 2013 now. I'm this as a part of filing motion to join.
Yeah.
I get some of my son credit when you're the demonstration now. How much more for that
2015 with the amount of court?
Yes, young court. Yes, yeah. You can go to court. When you're the move a drawer or to come to a registration. Move register. And I will be a man with Indiana. Some of my son credit dinner. President Mahama no hotel so well. On a most young bar, Seka, about 2 million timber, never be a pampaswa, Guana pampaswa and can be can boy. About 2 million neighbor, near the boat, your pampaswa, called the President Mahama on a pampasso, Naka the boy. I am on my son called the Dimunia and says I'm on Quana Morgana. Now he was talking about the creation of a new region. Minimum point from Cotanasa, I will for no move on Chairman. Namunia chokan. Mokra Munkancha the Tonilitas and the rest, some kudos and the rest. Bencha Moma says the 13 new regions are better to the data and the operation of the EC. That is why. Oh, no, big boy. Oh, you're Melanim near our bay. Oh, you're Melanim near our bay. Hello.
What's going on, meet you? Nanka.
Oh, yeah. Oh, now with me, argument with it. Who create new regions are?
Yes,
wrap up, Mamma. Right. Okay. Lawyer everybody wrap up discussion and
you see, like I was saying, let's take this because every police station here in 2016 I will peculiar police station number. Now regime bia and I'm so over G police station bia G bia a bravo. Now with the passage of the constitutional instrument in December 113-114 bravo ni hobby. And therefore police station bia and police station number that's starting with G no. Until you should know Brown for baby man, because your Bono region, Bono is
because we need electoral issues, it's a solution. A simple programming.
It is not programming. It is law. It is law. They say no programming. I am law. I am law. More time or NDC for one problem. Demonstration.
Okay. I'm sorry, lawyer everybody new to Kono end the discussion. 46 minutes past 7. Live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Me name home ratsia then we can have other issues. The minority of Mrasibidrim said the president Akufo-Addo should be held responsible for the mercenaries Vita Zene Galamsea Sabri Agensemu Ewo My Ghana Wote Lawyer Bribuahin and that of Tukono. They are all deputy general secretaries for NDC and MPP respectively. Bebasisia na ubetimi Edward Nhyira nsamwa omampani dada John Dramani Mahama kan no asamwa money. Just listen to it again. Na me
so muka so munti asem na ombetwa so no maye new biometric register enye bibia esi omuti so se koba se ntawantawa ene ntokwa ebesi oman mu a e wo se omupie no mka se ye ne aye no moje so
okay asem the former president kai no waka bone na asem a waka ebro so na 0244 320 564 for voice note echo WhatsApp line we so na ye ba ya bo amount 0244 320 564 pacho maminya wadwen kire asemi asem bone waka bone 0244 320 564 na amami so manya wadwen kire wo
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for na soldier for respect what. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anas di nyansa krono no de po Ghana nyina.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost nyina mene. So peaceful on the economy management to be answered. John Mahama now on only time let's see no at China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks? Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entisia mosomfo aduana ba kofia sante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. And now Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for na soldier for respect what. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anas di nyansa krono no de po Ghana nyina.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost nyina mene. So peaceful on the economy management to be answered. John Mahama now on only time let's see no at China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks? Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entisia mosomfo aduana ba kofia sante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators. And now Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Desperate politician.
I hear Otukono.
Yeah, I mean,
apart from these three adjectives, they are describable former president. They comment, Ojidi said he knows something better. Nim as ordinary. A learned man knows something better than Nim in terms of compilation.
What is reckless, irresponsible, any desperate?
Yeah.
Any near President Kufuado, Eka, and Ra.
He only referred to the former president.
Yes. Who is sitting president? Sitting president, Ghana, some being in a crowd. Obeso man, not assume you. It is so reckless and irresponsible and desperate because of your political survival. You throw that piece that you inherited to the dogs. Over to nature. Now, in some na no bri boy kai me blame no na no bri boy no on said that elections expert na ni the elections and you know anyama ni bi wa won tiase on say ipac kra no on said that my ipac you know o me so
but do I have to waste my time on baby unprofitable venture
into the man on tiase that report yeah after justice VCIAC crab committee. What they said in the report, which I have some here, and I mean, report on so technical committee year 2011, and sana yede ecoye procurement for new register. No? What we said was that we were building a register that will stay forever, permanent register. Justice VCIS Club Committee no said the step towards building a permanent register is on course because there is no problem with the current register. Supreme Court has ruled that will be the NHIS here registration free. So there should be a joint party committee that will work on the process for removing all the names. Because I me know you want me hanomo. Ye sam ko foyina efrimu. Ema yema wo mu kwan se wo mu ensa enko register. And the cleaning register no of those people. Never anywhere in any report of the Electoral Commission have they ever mentioned say register ni bloated. Na nti omuntimi nkasa ne say register no ye de tom print and ye tom print so say we dey register na say we dey document bia nipa baako entimi manage empie mu mienu nipa ni wu a wo de ne tom print ko obi ntimi use fa to aba ma no. That is the idea behind this particular register. If you want to see a very limited registration. Now, the entry and pay, me who said I know I want elections as a cry, I don't know, and the thing come friend in the first place. Was in new regions and you create a new register. Jesus Christ, new regions and you create a new register. And you me think o think me police station me to abano esesa na police station ni dey sesa me kokoro moti sesa me tom print na wo machine so na esesa ni ewo mo ane say geographical location na the line abeto ntem say osisi afri na ekono obefre ha oti free na ekono obefre ha no mo voter region. It has nothing to do with the register. Na na me desa say oka say na nya no near the two district level election no I dey to the other two district level election na problem amba because it has nothing to do with the register. That police station creation and the constituency creation so who create here police stations na wo na ye to aba no oho a na ekwa akoto aba na ne be different say e bia ye bantama ana say ye menhia ne atemu menhia no for menhia south. Baby, I to about say copy or mention offer. Na free na kono wo mention no. How does it change your register? I think it's or it's a register. But be a constitution. It's say we demarcation of constituency and our regions go and create a new register.
I see.
Well,
former
and electoral commission for no. Omunya nsemu no wo mo enka saade because almost all lawyer didn't matter na kata to a lawyer when him say reason wey you na no free boy confirm reason wey me ya ne ye kanyina ne say yentia ye say electoral commission won say na sa adwumadie ya wodi afa wo ye nebi ambre o man mu ene ne say o hwe ne adwumadie a wodi a eye ne constitution adwuma na oye NDC for nka say enye the constitution adwuma but our constitution adwuma na afarigan ye and all this is first register 2003 the same constitution na afarigan use year 2012 and ye this is register 2012 year registration but no ne dia no ye no political parties ni na have a trust ni na ye the adwem bae yenye ni say yefa we si ha yefa we sha yenye ne say de be ya obi ntimi register mienu and yenyina yenya nsemu ye ba consensus and ye two anamo what is say no obi resistance during 2011-2012 registration obi anya resistance obi anya argument
otukono
ma Charlotte say me ni abibo ma Charlotte say MPP for ne akufo ado mo ne so na wo mo sha Charlotte say so register no that time no na constitution is different. That time no na kire say wo mo betimi a kire ne Charlotte say nya na. Na kire sa. But wo mo yes ade no. Wo mo yes ade no. Charlotte say esti abejoku e ma parties ni nyina e gba di o masem e betu ga. Ye nyina e be like the mo be a time e ma ni chire mu maako ye wie na abajokuo no e de ne report betuja obodo mo report betuja salata say nja ni ho ye inter-party committee for electoral reforms Kwabre Japan Mark Menu General Mosquito various political parties representatives and mo try electoral reform report ni bi e wo hanomo CRR me ne wo ka say wo mo ye proposals for electoral reforms document almost 22 page document actually near what electoral reforms mo Emma the electoral commission the document no started so the year Emma was a such maybe and no crown Emma building VMX system various district offices an online system said they be a nipa 18 I won't try registration time class and register.
Okay.
So here. You know, Chanyama when now a electoral commission I in the Juma between.
Okay.
But we go by and I pack a crowd over trouble.
Okay.
I pack no own friend any ending come up. When the party a problem so now ye o to mo ko ni to so ni je enti ya unfo bia o fa ya no aso ana o pai yes me to mo ko yen electoral commission du man yen ne
Muba advice said the former president to apologize. That was our comment our canon considering who are a day
asema o kai yes wanum
oh but at least
asema who business here you yes wanum
ade hoyaba ho
ma asem no kai ni ya waso so ono kra okade kitwemu I see because ni era kofi yahu oye ne se oye na che yanim se ya tawatawa che yanim se ya yesi yenka ya no tum eti tawatawa ni ba ho na be blame no
okay
o be blame me
okay
na be blame ho
lawyer
blame no
okay lawyer bribu ahin the NDC for so the NDC class he was charitable
NDC for jamo no munini abodi
no bi ni afre no ko via santi ni mami ntio
the hunu after na court of omati na court NDC as a party omati na court enye the hu disotu ko no se Ghana mara hefa na e was electoral commission e take ni decision bi on consult IPAC
na afarija e consult mo samre ya wo ho na consult mo
it's immaterial the fact that legally it's not proper doesn't mean that afarija proper
you should emrane wo ho so mo consult mo
o ka se me na dadi pio
na ba ko ese wo no
o ka se na o moderate dia
otukono kofi ni Bernard the producer otukono mamintie obriboahin lawyer mamintie
yo 1992 people for boycott elections no Ghana Nhyira the electoral commission is saying these are the things nyama me beye on tiasia court cases
the realities of the
Abu Ramadan Tobe woman demonstration I don't know much they play to the gallery
yeah got you
they play to the gallery no what go say you the bar President Mahama what show you about you know the rule of law I don't know court why are you not going to court President Mahama but what would you
Mitiopa
Omni President Mahama court 2012 2013 now and this has a part and filing motion to join I get some of my sonko the demonia the demonstration na o matima ko record
that 2015 mo the man court
yeah you can go to court demonia the mo bedua o to come register registration na mo ko register ada obi na ma wadi ani diana amo my sonko the dina yanya yi President Mahama no o to akonya so walusu ona mo se yonne ba se ka abato mu yonne bitimba na ebo bia pampa so a nkwano na pampa so na ka bi kan boy abato hu yonne ba ni ebo bia pampa so a ko no President Mahama ono na pampa so na ka ye de boy aya mo my so ko de munya je se mo kwana mo Ghana now he was talking about the creation of a new region Money mon point from Cotanza, lawyer for no, no, ben Chama. No, Munya chokan. Mokra Munkancha, the Tonilitas and the rest, some Kujos and the rest, Ben Chama, says the 13 regions. That's the data and the operation of the EC. That is yes.
Oh, I know every boy. Oh, you're running near our bay. Oh, you're running near our bay. Hello.
What's going on, meet you? Nanka.
Oh, yeah. Now with me, argument with the new regions.
Yes,
wrap up, Mamma. Right. Okay. Lawyer, everybody, wrap up discussion on I. 0244320564. Odo adwen chebe bremen. But yentie some of the voice notes at for Mode Abba. How do you see the comment by the former president John Dramani Mahama on the Electoral Commission?
Good morning. Omampani dada asem no kan me de me hu boni bi ewu eno anu no. NPP fo moma ye nyina yensua enwoma bi wo ye ho ade bi wo ho na ekoso na ye ka moma ye nka de bia na maso ya no ne aka ya no atum innovate ekoto aba mo so ho na ekoto ma wo mu ye ka ya no tum de bia moma ye nkasa ne aka ye kasa boa e de ahye ye yim ti me de mesusu se de omampani dada Mahama okai no ye no anu no.
Hello, good morning. Ediana Bakofi Asante. Mechiamu nyina uni could na mechiamu. Efe me kwani kwa bi nkasa free take. Na former president Kasa, on ka boni. On ka boni o. Because ade ya debate wo ho yisi ontie. Enti ontie na obi da no kasa ya. Aye ne ba, oye ne ba nyo ne be ba so bo.
Hello, Kofi. Good morning. But your friend Prince, Castle Free, Ireland. Mr. Former President, Mama, Nasama Kind. I have frustrated, they said by hook or crook. When you're too maybe, so on one, he said, a crying woman. And I'm in Croft also, who said, Oma Panama, only will be a.
Good morning, Master Kofi. Me chia unu wati for me voice message ni. Master Kofi. Yo hu mfumso a ewo nsem a GM ekan yi. Ye kan so obi so ekan se order bi da. Samra na no opposition. Ye sre ebusa se obi samra na obi ka so o mepa chawana. Nti yanja hypocrisy eni nya atwomna ahye itirum man na yanka no kretam biara sam de be ya omega na ebe koyenim
makura machi lukmanie asema odi eba bitudwai me wa adwene kire kakra de kire fa ho se isi bie ne register na so kase obi ankonko twere ne din a eno ntokwa na ewu ne de wo he entokwa nim intinu eye me nwanwa ese miama dua na ba meta di sofo sofo ba oso kase ye nkyere ya adwene mu sase de former president Mahama kan no eye boni ana ase nye boni nti wo asofo ba no saa sema papa no former president kan wo hu ni sai ense Ghana so sa niema no so Ghana yen so sa niema no so enti munka na former president Mahama wonte ne ho ase ese se isi bi register se obi ankonkotwe ne din a enya ntoko tom na wonya nto atoa no ya omo yeye no emwa akwakwa ese ye okonkran ebi a mesi minisika me mekwa akofro of atabas nketwa bi na akọ wo de sense usikanti wo bekwa akofa flight na di akọ eno na ye ntokwa
Adriana ba bidin di David Dako mikasa fi obosi sene yewura mahama ekaye no kwasem ni wankasa yi ifise embi a etwemu ana mo esesa about ma no embi before eka ho asem ma okasem se yemfi obia nti onkai hu se aba yede bo tichino yede bo ban sa umai ensesa mu no Ghana for dodo na anase mpanyimfo akwa bontin akobisa amanfo adwene dodo na agitum onya abotre man nyintum.
Hello, good morning. Openi minimsa na pa obia ho ye abusuafo nyina wo Nhyira FM nyina ne Nhyira Adumo FM nyina ni kyemu nyina na pa openi wadawo ma asema adwo ma makan de o man yi nyina ne epe so adwen de ni ba ko fotiri me dem susu so no so na adwen na wa kire ama o man ni tiwe nya de a wo se nipa adwen ho ko eche kufu ado so ondwen hu ye se asema dom president do ma aka no ne kan no so ne
Kofi Asante Mema one papa na meke no moduma iPhone na good morning. Says Asim we say to me free the former president of Ghana Enumana I was usually pa so my because maybe me when say the NDC has something under their sleeves I was say yay asomino usually pa Kofi Asante because asema okay no a very serious statement.
Good morning. Na mo ho te say nhyia atifu nyina. Me pa show me de ne yasembisa. Sisi ai ye Ghana card no so voters ID a yo mo se o mu ba betwem ene ye de ye. Enti no eno no Ghana card no so e besa sesana na.
Yeah, good morning. Kofi Asante mechia one babedafo nyina. Kofi Asante I say like I am to Mr. NDC for so power. Obegina akeka nsema oka nyina ababi anim. O man panyina wo ababedi o man panyina ja. Abetina konwa so. Wo se nya electoral commission no mandate no nya na dwuma. On the time aso okọ obi fufura body a wo se no de chinchina se de NDC for pese ye ne se mamu change no de mumu beka no na je se wo se wofa. So wan fa de mumu beka na de BBC a e monitor so. Obi beka nsem basa we a muntimi nkasa asmo oka ne nye. Mama NDC ne begina so chinchen na muntimi nkate no. Ba na etimi mo chichiro man sa ambo.
Kofi, good morning. The American say in the first place, identical na former President Mahama. Or do say Senka will be a sea or in the BC. Ana basabasa BC, ana mentimos be ba. They swear easy.
Hello, Kofi. Machine. I want to say, if I'm come what him because of fit and so. Kofi, one penny John Doman Mahama. I mean, the Casabu and Chinimu, Munyade. Yes, no, penny for the moon, you can my wife.
Nhyira ya mamachi maso na mo kana me ka fa frame Alhaji Bawa kasa free santasi John Dramani Mahama nsem na o kana de ya dwene ho ha international inim de opa free Ghana for na so ofisi e Jimmy o so ofisi inim nyanse o yo no anasem ntokobo wa mo so team bi
Kofi Asante enokure Omampeni Mahama ndi kwasi kwa kasa na mekura no bottle ready sa no kura no mekura no me ba Ghana me yese me could be account bi ni ade am me voter ID koye no me din no na obi picture ene wo so abran so me wo Ghana me ato obasa ni ade obi picture ne da so nti no wonya de waka na bibia nye kama ama Ghana fo no be bia ni ho no ma bentoko besie.
Hello, good morning. Within the Uncle Dixon, Mekasefri Holland. The same thing Akufo-Addo, Ekoka, or die. But to me, the same thing, Yamahama Ekano, it looks a bit the same. You know, and so I'm very cautious. I mean, when you hold such position, you have to be very cautious of your language. The beer and Kabumba Bana, so can Bibia, Abema, Nipa, who say Bia. A bit of the Basabasayaba. Hello.
Okay, but for the your voice for body aba, but your first Absa Bank, it's here. Barclays Bank is now Absa. It will be an intercessor or concerns, issues, questions. Now, person will be sad. Frey 0302-429150. Now, yet means 11 minutes past 8. Yeah, but it's Siana. Dijana who have Zuba, Ebebe Studio, Sansona, regional organizer for the NPP, Francois, or non so.
As a Ghanaian, I always go for more. Up early, down late, hustle, play, push.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensama ekosu kumase no. Jan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for na soldier force stress what. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anas di nyansa krono no de pop Ghana nyina.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute. In so piece on the economy management will be out. John Mahama now on only time let's see no at the same inflation senior they get for almost how many marks.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye enti amosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betre dwem ebre kro na. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now, Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho me se me dia sam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bo be ma na guso adai eya binwa ha soko abinwa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no ene enya abote twetwa ne nkakra ede bro eno ti hia ye me reda bia ebra dumienu abob ere kopim se dumienu bebo apamu ensam a wo bete no ebi areho
Kramani jina me ba no ta feeling moja na me ai na mkache mama sema kramani na ku me ba no
ebi so asere na o me ma o stars ahodo de bi she
bajai
sa stars de pa na no de ma what him says o de amo wa feel pa
this me kuntuno
abi soko
Biwa etwemu ana mo esesa about trauma no MPP before aka ho asem ma okasem se yemfio bia nti onkai hu se aba ye de bo tichino ye de bo ban sa umai ensesa mu no Ghana for dodo na anase empanyufo akwa abonten akobisa amanfo adwene dodo na agitum onya abotre man nyintum.
Hello, good morning. Openi nimsa na pa obia ho ye. Abusuafo nyina wo Nhyira FM nyina ne Nhyira Adumo FM ni kyeremu nyina na pa. Openi wadawo ma. Asema adwo ma makan de o man ni ye nyina ne yepe. So, adwen de ni ba ko fotiri. Mere misusu so no so na adwen na wa kyerɛ ma o man nti we nya de a was a nipa yadwin ho kwache kufu ado so wandwin hu yesi asema dom president dom ma aka no ne ka no no so no
Kofi Asante me ma one papa na make no moduma ifo na good morning says asem we say to me pay free the former president of Ghana enuma na was yeshini pa so my because me who say the NDC has something under their sleeves. I was say yay as a minor. You shouldn't Kofi Asante. because asema okay no a very serious statement.
Good morning. Na mo ho te say Nhyira atifu nyina. Me pa show me de ne asembisa. Sisi ai ye Ghana card no so voters ID a yo mo se o mu ba betwem ene ye de ye. Enti no eno no Ghana card no so e besa sesana na.
Yeah, good morning. Kofi Asante mechia one babega fo nyina. Kofi Asante I say like I am to Mr. NDC for so power. Obetina obegina akeka nsem o kan nyina ababi anim. O man panyina wo ababedi o man panyina ja. Abetina konwa so wo se nya electoral commission no mandate no nyina dwuma. On the time was so ko obi foforo abade a wo se no de chinchina se de NDC for pese ye say mamu change no de mumu beka no na je say wo se wo fa. So wan fa de mumu beka na de BBC a e monitor so. Obi beka nsem basa we a muntimi nkasa asmo kan nye. Mama NDC ne begina so chinchini na muntimi nkache no. Bana etimi mo chichira o man sa ambo.
Coffee, good morning. The American say in the first place, identical former President Mahama. Or didn't say Senkago to be a C or in the BC. An ambassador BC, and I'm a Timothy Bar. They swear easy.
Hello, Kofi. Machine. I'm going to say, if I'm come watching because I fit on so. Kofi, I'm penny John Domain Mahama. I mean, the Casabu and Chinimu, Munyade. Yes, no, penny for the moon, you can my wife.
Nhyira ya mamachi maso na mo kan na me kan ka fa frame Alhaji Bawa kasa free santasi John Dramani Mahama nsem na go kan de ya dwena ho a international inim de opa free Ghana for na so ofisi e Jimmy o so ofisi inim nyanse o yo no anasem ntokobo wa mo so team bi
Kofi Asante eno kure Omampeni Mahama ndi kwa kasa na mekura no bottle ready sa no kura no mekura no me ba Ghana me yese me could be account bi ni ade am de me voter ID koye no me din no na obi din obi picture ene wo so abranso me wo Ghana me ato obasa ni ade obi picture na da so nti no wonya de waka na bibia nya kama ama Ghana fo no bibia ni ho no ma bentoko besie.
Hello, good morning. Within the Uncle Dixon, the Free Holland. The same thing Akufo-Addo, Ekoka, or die. But to me, the same thing, Yamahama Ekano, it looks a bit the same, you know, and so I'm very cautious. I mean, when you hold such position, you have to be very cautious of your language. The beer and Kabumba Bana, so can Bibia, Abema, Nipa, who say Bia. A bit of the Basabasayaba. Hello.
Okay, but for the your voice at for body aba, but your first Absa Bank, Cecilia is here. Barclays Bank is now Absa. It'll be an intercessor or concerns, issues, questions. Now, person will be sad. Frey 0302 429150. Now, yet means Swabwa. 11 minutes past 8. Yeah, Basisiana, Dijana, who have Zuba, Bebe Studio, Sansona, regional organizer for the NPP, Francois, or no so.
I always go for more. Up early, down.
News na miti.
Asem wo ho. Me se me dia asam nam. Police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso. Hey! Adai, eya ben wa ha. Soko. Aben wa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra, ensam ahodo a ebaso no. Ene enya abotatwitwa ne nkakra ede brawo.
Eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob. Ere kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu.
Ensam a wo bete no ebi areho.
Kramani jina me ba no ho ta feeling moja. Na me ai na mkache mama sema kramani na ku me ba no.
Ebi so asere.
Na o me ma wo stars ahodo de bi. She?
Bajai.
Sa stars dey pa na no de ma what him says. What they are more wa feel pa.
This is me kuntuno.
Abe Soko.
News na meeting.
Asem wo ho. Me se me dia sam nam. Police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso. Hey! Adai, eya ben wa ha. Soko. Aben wa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra, ensam ahodo a eba so no. Ene enya abotetwetwa ne kakra ede brow.
Eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob. Ere kopim se dumienu bebo apan mu.
Ensam a wo bete no ebi areho.
Kramani gina me ba no ho ta feeling moja. Na me ai na mkache mama sema kramani na ku me ba no.
Ebi so asere.
Na o me ma wo stars ahodo de bi. She?
Bajai.
Sa stars dey pa na no de ma wo team says. What they are more we feel pa.
This is me kuntuno.
Abe Soko.
Number 1 Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pausima aduana ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene awia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduanan ekosi awia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na yede Memeda de no so ede asomo so don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetena se free anopa no nkono ekosi awia dumienu dwumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e ojumade me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena open afie OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and say born here bebo
Christian Edu say
on the premise in also just the boss ko say that is on kobi. Yes,
amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and then Najman Pomodia said the bia o message program way na the global show. Your number 1 Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.7
Ensama ekosu kumase no yen kan ya yeti ko ka bi dia Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
The way a soldier force your discipline, Vanguard for them, a soldier for respect is what
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
enough. The Nyansa Krono, they pop Ghana.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in a minute? That is so peaceful. On the economy management to be after John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Ghana for Sena, at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye enti siamosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopa no num ene fa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Ensama ekosu kumase no yen kan ya yeti ko ka bi dia Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
The way a soldier force your discipline, Vanguard for them, a soldier for respect is what
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
enough. The Nyansa Krono, they pop Ghana.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in a minute? That is so peaceful. On the economy management to be after John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Ghana for Sena, at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye enti siamosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopa no num ene fa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Kuro Yi Mu Nsem Ensama ekosu kumase no yen kan ya yeti ko ka bi dia Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
The way a soldier force your discipline, Vanguard for them, a soldier for respect is what
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
enough. The Nyansa Krono, they pop Ghana.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's our reviewing economics boost in our minute? Adding so piece on the economy management to be out. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the same inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena, a Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana aba pa ho etuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now,
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. And some are also Kumasino. Then can we let you go?
And the assistant young point out my sas match na ganya 63 years. Motimi de enya 25 solid years no. Sabrana and a babedi fufu na yenim no. Yes, me personal, me a general.
That is the ambassador for the fufu.
Many apotowe ni na. But for personal one bra.
Yeah,
okay. Go free.
Free. And choba for no so sabri so bia betimi aba.
Yeah, obia oba ya choba na boteri fie fufu.
Obia.
Na sem ko fa kwa no so kakra. Me go share wa MC no.
Ochiriteria.
Ochiriteria ntwim ko share no. Ose fufu bi wo line so. Ne aponche chine.
Asanka wo di manager wo. Boyos me did say you benyamre as the group.
Yeah, first time I mention about money show.
Good. That's a very interesting one.
No say why very tight.
Very tight. Me that's it. Until Auku, Mama Yeniga. Okay, I'm for anti Obia the banche ne body beba.
Akuafo na wo de wo fa bia banche obia no wo aponche na de bebo akukọ na de bebo frɛ ba befa bia wo bia ye ba kwadu video so de akwadum TV what you say bibia wo bia de frɛ
ye ni dwa
aha ye be di dwa de number beto dwa sisi a me pa cha ya semo Pan African Service Loans for some fan to anim say ne gyina na so pa ye guso e ba dwuma me
Who you will say we are ready? Nana man to me. You want to apostle. Whatever kids. Nana man to me. You want to apostle. Whatever kids.
Good morning, Senior. Me press man, me press conference. Aye.
Multimedia yeni KMA ahunidie kuo ana sama for kopie so am runabout. Biaya Consa Construction Limited AC Garden City Mall foforo no yehu sa enwura afu atwa fence ra wode atwa adwuma no ho ahia no ho se tam na ɛho afu ama efinso adɔrefuye no na saate bia yi ama so am runabout ene ekwan a ɛda ho no nyinaa aye basa tantantan. Penya wɔhwɛ ahonidie soɔ ɛwɔ KMA owura Isaac Basanye ɛma Construction Company Consa Limited na wɔtwe sɛ wɔmfa no nwura no nyinaa siesie hɔ ɛma hɔ nte wan.
You are in the center of Kumasi. Why have you allowed that to happen?
So we started working on it. The weeding, we are using the weed side of it. Normally the rain started and we took the whole, but we've made arrangements to beginning that rotation to make sure that we clear the hole in order not to confuse.
When is that? When are you going to clear the whole place?
As soon as we finish today's operation, tomorrow.
Yes, we are here this morning and then ask you to do it within a week. By which time we come back and then we are not able to do that, we take it to court.
Yefri hono yekopia dum Boss FM dan no asepe biaye yi na de tonfo ene won a wote abansoro mu ede ehwa ayesebe agyanan ene dwonso dwaye dwonso a yakekere no toa mu agyanan a ewo polythene bag mu adore ho se chaka empanifo ma osamankrata na wo ma wogya won adwuma emre pi eyiyi ho prapra ho nyina adum hwa nso ye ma won a yehu se enwura adore wo won so to anim ene ba bia wote eto ade no ye ma ogya wadwuma eprapra ho nyina fefefe ansa na yefiri ho dwumadie yi yehu se ebinom atwetwe won ase ewo ho ebinom ene samasama foi eyiyi nsama no pii
the kind of people that you are before me proceeding to talking to you. I didn't say that I will not pick. Okay. But I'm not arguing with you.
Now have you understood us?
Now I just understood you.
So pick them.
Then okay, I'll pick. Then let me go and try something else. That's going to something come up. But the problem line is now that you two I know, you have to make sure that all of us here get the dustbin, or you yourself will provide dustbin for us.
Nanso brekro no ano amanfo bebre so e kire KMA ene multimedia dwumadie yi eho anije pa.
Me dey say what me have my I did say that yes I do.
E bin san
that's good.
Insurance for ye adwuma no.
Nanso ne nyina mu no ye hye won ama wo prapra babi a wote esiesie ho nyina ma hote wan. Anche ye baba bepie babi a wote di umpatam ni.
Makusem. Sama ekosu kumase no. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Sama ekosu kumase no. Yankan ye ti ko Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Sama ekosu kumase no. Yankan ye ti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we are soldier force here discipline. Vanguard for them soldier force specific. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough the nyansa krono no dey pok Ghana nyina.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia was a reviewing economics boost in a minute, and so peace on the economy management to be out. John Mahama now, on only time, nothing at the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebrekro na.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Sama ekosu kumase no. Yankan ye ti ko ka obi dia. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we are soldier force here discipline. Vanguard for them soldier force specific. Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Enough the nyansa krono no dey pok Ghana nyina.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia was a reviewing economics boost in a minute, and so peace on the economy management to be out. John Mahama now, on only time, nothing at the China inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebrekro na.
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
Insure 104.5. Yawazoye. Anything na obra at one eba onchen. Ya from your sofu nearby. Efe amano. Ubeti ya from a lady amano. Mayenshia fi juada kwesi efiada. Obra at 1 p.m. pepepe. Encheche bebrewum. Adisua ewum. Ememe esu. Emma esu. Enkwada esre. Ye tue school fees. Ni ehwe bia yaresa. Na ye bobi ema omo nya adwuma. How be na wom. Mayenshia 1 p.m. Debiarada. Juada kwesi efiada
manu prayer ba ko pe no ne be mate ho wo sis de si yen nyina no wamba hospital ni bu ofu de wo ko ya wo se e kare da wo ye nwie wo sa ko ne na sa ko trase owie ye na o ama na sa anyi mu biem wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka ma na me kwa me ntiase wo mensia e ye feeling so
Insure 104.5. Yawazoye. Anything na yede obra at 1 eba onchen. Ya from your sofu nearby. Efe amano. Ubetia from Lady Amano. Mayenshia Fidjuada Kwesi Efiada. Obra at 1 p.m. pepepe. And Cheche Bebrewum. Adisua Ewum. Ememe Su. Emma Esu. Enkwada Esre. Ye tua school fees. Ni Eshebia Yaresa. Na ye bobi emomu nye adwuma. How be na wom. Mayenshia 1 p.m. Debiarada. Edjuada Kwesi Efiada.
Manu prayer back up. None be matter ho. Who says they see you no wamba hospital ni buo fudie de. Wo ko ya wo say e Canada wo yenwie. Wo sa kwone na sa kwatrase. O wie ye now. Ama na sa anyi mudie. Wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka. Ma na me kwa mentia se wo mansia. Eye feeling so. Eye feeling so.
Show 104.5. Yawazoye. Anything na yede obra at 1 eba wonchen. Ye from your sofu nearby Efe Amano. Ubeti ya from Lady Amano. Mayenshia Fidjuada Kwesi Efiada. Obra at 1 p.m. pepepe. Encheche.
Nana manso ni ne. Mo sa akoso. Ada ba kids.
Maybe a chum, no more as a son about 12 months. And before I can wash him. Ma, or Casim say in Fubia. Indeed, on kind who say, a bar, a debo tichino. You're the boban. Sir, Umai into Samuno. Gana for the door na, and I say, in paying for a quabonti, I could be a month for a guinea. The donor a ditum. Onyabotre, my Indian.
Hello, good morning, opinion. Minsana Pia, Abishanfu, Nhyira FM, Nhyira Adumwa FM, Nhyira and Nape. Penny Wadaruma, Asamajo, Mamma Candy, or my new pet. So, I drink the Nibaku fruit, made a Mrs. on I drink and I watch it more money to any idea. I was a nipa yadwin ho kwache who for so on doing we say asema dom president do mama aka no ne kan no so no
Kofi Asante mema one papa na make no moduma ifo na good morning sɛ saa asɛm wei sɛ ɛtumi pie firi the former president of Ghana anim a na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ no yie paa sɛ ɔman because me deɛ mehu ne sɛ the NDC has something under their sleeves a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn asɔman no yɛhwɛ no yie paa Kofi Asante because asɛm a ɔkaeɛ no ɛyɛ very serious, a serious statement.
Good morning. Na mo ho te sɛ nhyira atifo nyinaa. Mepa chɔ me de ne yasɛm bisa. Sisi ai yɛ Ghana card no so voters ID a yɛmo sɛ ɔmo ba betwam ɛne yɛde yɛ. Enti no ɛno no Ghana card no so yɛbɛsa asesa na na.
Yeah, good morning. Kofi Asante mechia one babegafo nyinaa. Kofi Asante I say like I am to Mr. NDC for so power. Obegina akeka nsem o kan nyinaa ababi anim. Omampanyina wo ababedi omampanyini da. Abetra komia so. Wo se nya electoral commission no mandate no nyina adwuma. On the time aso wɔ obi foforo abade a wo se no de chinchina se de ndisi for pese ye ne se mamu change no de mumu beka no ne je se wo se wofa so wanfa de mumu beka no de ye BBC a e monitor so obi beka nsem basa we a muntimi nkasa asmo kan ne nye de mama ndisi ne begina so chinchen na muntimi nkate no ba na etimi mu chichiro man sa ambo.
Kofi, good morning. The American say in the first place identical na former President Mahama Odune se senka woyino bi esi woyino bi si ana basabasa bi si ana mentemo ase bi ba yede suye yisi
alo Kofi machi ahote se ifrano kwa mwati mikasa fita no so Kofi ebo wampani John Dramani Mahama nyamye ni kasa bi wo ha enchiri ni mu nyede yeso no mu panifo no mu hwe kakra mai bai
Nhyira ya mama chi maso na mo kan na me kan ka fa me Alhaji Bawa kasa free santasi John Dramani Mahama nsem na o kan de ya dwena ho a international inim de opa free Ghana for na so ofisi Jimmy o so ofisi nim nyanse o yo no anasem ntokɔbɔ wa ma so team bi
Kofi Asante enokure Omampani Mahama ndi kwaso kwakasa na mekura no bottle ready sa no kura no mekura no me ba Ghana me yese me could be account bi ni ade am de me voter ID koye no me din no na obi din obi picture ene wo so abran so me wo Ghana me ato obasa ne ade obi picture ne da so nti no wonya de waka na bibia nye kama ama Ghana fo no bibia ne ho no ma bentoko besie.
Hello, good morning. Within the Uncle Dixon, Mekasafi Holland. The same thing Akufo-Addo, Ekoka, or die. But to me, the same thing, Yamahama Ekano, it looks a bit the same, you know, and so I'm very cautious. I mean, when you hold such position, you have to be very cautious of your language. The beer and Kabumba Bana, so Kanemu, Yabibia, Abema, and Nipa, who say Bia. A bit of the Basabasayaba.
Okay, but for the your voice at your for body but your first Absa Bank, Cecilia, it's here. Barclays Bank is now Absa. It will be an intercessor or concerns, issues, questions. Now, person will be sad. Frey 0302 429150. Now, yet means Swabwa. 11 minutes past 8. Yeah, but it's here now. I hear. Otukono.
Yeah, I mean,
apart from these three adjectives, they are describable former president. They comment, you know, Ojidi said he knows something better. Nim as ordinary. A learned man knows something better than Nim in terms of compilation.
What is reckless, irresponsible, any desperate, any near President Akufo-Addo, Eka and Ra.
He only referred to the former president.
Yes. Who is sitting president? Sitting president, Ghana assume being in a crowd. Oversaw man not assume you. It is so reckless and irresponsible and desperate because of your political survival. You throw that piece that you inherited to the dogs. over to nothing. Now, in some na no bri boy kai me blame no. Na no bri boy no on said that elections expert na ni the elections at you know, many be on Tiasia, on the iPad crano, on said I'm my pack, you know, I mean, yes, but you have to waste my time on a baby. I'm profitable venture, into the near man on Tiasia. That reports, yeah, after a Justice VCIAC Club Committee. What they said in the report, which I have some here, and I will report on technical committee year 2011, and sana yede ecoye procurement for new register. What we said was that we were building a register that will stay forever, permanent register. Justice VCIAC Club Committee no said the step towards building a permanent register is on course because there is no problem with the current register. Supreme Court has ruled that will be the NHIS here registration piano. So there should be a joint party committee that will work on the process for removing all the names. Because I me know you want memu hanomo. Ye sam ko fuina efrimu. Ema wo kwan se wo mu ensa enko register. And the cleaning register no of those people. Never anywhere in any report of the Electoral Commission have they ever mentioned say register ni bloated. Na nienti omuntimi nkasa ane say register no the tom print and a tom print so say we dey register na say we dey document bia nipa ba ko entimi manage.
Say, hand out your working lecture when I demand. And the semester, your person 45 minutes.
As a Lord is in
Maybe I want to better the castle. It's
interesting. Na abusafo dina ho. Abusafo ho ye de. Yes, I do. The radiase. There've been several calls on the former president to apologize over the comments with the Electoral Commission, and Manfo Gidi say is inciting the people of Ghana against the commission. On Bono, but if another Danko Akufo-Addo then can order be there, now for it taking up there, then they think that this comment is equally explosive one. And of course there should be an apology. What they are not changing, the minority who do on say Ghana for should hold President Akufo-Addo responsible for excavators on the floor of Parliament. The local government minister said there be 300 excavator naira, just 34 to can afford to get it right. Was it 34?
But your almost become 500. And I'm telling you about 300.
A very interesting point.
Bakufa go to. Bakufa go to. Yes, Bakufa Kuhunu. Or that's anyway. Yes, I come. But me chair for na. And this is for ma. Sorry, what you mean or saying, you know, now we'll tear you so. Now, Govi.
Yeah.
Medical bad day or the Electoral Commission, you know.
Yeah.
Former President Mahama. On anything different from the men's and I come on. The men's and I some work and say, Baby Cobonia, you who don't know responsible. Yeah, on kind on one casa. And there's a Nippon or Koya, and say, Baby Coboni. You who know be responsible. Now, Obuja would are going to be, and so say, so my baby Cobonia, why need the bubble to a difference over the day. You cannot equate this to what I be die. What I be die in the violence. We there, a foot and her man no man Coboni, and a boss of war. What I say, and no more Coboni, and 1 year months when you mensa. Say, yet me bidding, now bidding process, no, or more, ye selective woman, or winning bits, no. Near boning in egu, no, Timiko catch a woman quiet bets in back. Say, any pass messy, any pass a person, Kufado, any interest in a human inti two bits mobile na ngu ne sa ko ye bit fofo na ma me ko select the convenient for President Kufuor and wakobone ye hold no responsible what they say and clearly Mensah conduct ni kasa ebibia no onye consensus builder.
Okay.
She's never conducted herself to be a neutral arbiter. Clearly, Utimi say, what she na doing say, or ye bibi.
Okay.
Reasons are a better man the or any baby mean. And they say, Ebia, before President Kufuor by appointing, the can't with the being teaching as an agenda, our baby executing.
That is an assumption.
Until I say Ebia, manful. What I say, until I say Ebia. They are tossing me, Ebia. Procurement British here, a cocoa so he. Who say, I bind it 10 over them, and also dead, Yamaya, Domina bind it 10 over them.
What are the procurement breaches?
Because say I be a tender. A be a winning. Do you least performer? Another, that could be another bidding process. I'm on 85%.
Okay.
What did they mention? I say, and those infractions are serious. What did they mention? I say, that's it, bia. Say, yeah, Nentry, yeah. Ancanatone. Or convoy, or for the secret ingredient. Better can it. Nentry, be an eternito, and cow. Near Kama convoy. Now, convoy the Uru, crinking out the go get. What about all a community qua?
I see.
What did they mention? It because of these two fear. A lot of us are apprehensive.
Okay.
About what it is to come. But the empire boy and they say, a barrier ye baba between. So we are in the Trimopo.
Yeah.
Say, or bet your dream. Or you will move a bar. When you go on once on a time.
That is serious.
Me say, Ubia and Adrian say, or do you move a bar? And now bet Shabano de Amobia. So how your memory? Ah, yes, soon. Only a cry, what bonny trim of posse, a banner say you're free and fair, you're ton of fine. Say, young coupon, telling the niches as you soon oregon a groomer. Who's will be about to imagine Bonia, or two for young coupon, on good Nipanas and a time as well.
As a Musru say about to obey me and Kobe, you be me. Say, did you make any that attempt? Say, I am pie and I may boss say, I was on pie with the anwashi. Now, I win him. I saw no tough or two on sorry and more from me as a friend. I mean, come in the Bible, I'm tray. I said, yeah, I'm TB. What is a more painted press? What's a more painted press? Coffee and pie one day, may the beer and pie, me bonds already. Ghana may I to me, Yem Pebasabasa, Yem Pesacasaka, and my batunti or crabacco, and random one. Eti awade nyankopɔ wona tumi nyinaa yɛ wodia onipa bia wafa abato hu adwembɔne so wo NDC so wo MPP so wo CPP so wo electoral commission ofa adwen sɛ o ma aba no enye fan a otumfo nyankopɔ kun saa nipa no mame ansa na abato da na so sɛ be ya Ghana man be nyana somdwe yes tete breso Israel breso no nyankopɔ ntimi say whole nation just because of one person. What is them just na nti ye person so nyame say onipa ba ko no odi Ghana na ye dey okay what is them mention say so nyame say nipa ba ko pa wa fa adwembone a ne ye ebetimi di ohaw aba Ghana ne ye bɔ mpa ne nyankopɔ kusa nipa na so ndwe ba enye I see. Anyway, but I have no problem with your prayers. But okay, two major issues to go. Government has pay food items to stranded Ghanaian students. Yes, the China Wuhan, and then the how they call the Ghana's mission. Then the president of the Republic Nyami Adma Wachina or for Sona. That is the State of the Nation address. Yes, I know no issues. Young Canning now, but where we back, Mamma Francois Kwaba, the regional organizer for the MPP. Lecture, I'm pumped to say. No, I was young for here. And there, Wednesday, a rotary meeting, Kumasi East, exactly 12:30. I call Golden Tulip.
Oh, that's why you're looking
to have a meeting.
But
I'm a Rotarian, and that's our attire.
Oh, that's nice.
One of our addresses for Rotary. Oh, come on.
I see.
Obiet to be Rotary. Where? Yamiado.
I am him for
free. President Ho.
Oh, okay.
What's your name? Eddie Bro.
I see.
Maybe you some sudden check and see free Vice President Ho.
I see.
Nah. Me fa konya so
enchia na kwa enchia bi ditachiri
me fa konya so the chair regional minister na be di chi.
Yes.
Regional chairman, regional executives, constituency executives, polling station for serial callers, media for communicators and where party. Obi. Onim say ame adoma papa adwenkese what the 6 March air brain.
Yes, I'm aware.
All activities are a first 6 March hunina no. Say what do you know?
Okay.
You be no Kumasi. Say debate you be no Kumasi. So bibia a first 6 March no bia no.
It's going to be in Ashanti region.
It's going to be in Ashanti region. If you say it was you embrace na Kumasi 2020 ye na ye fe. Sure. Go be on the 29th, you better clean up exercise.
Okay.
You better make sure say Kumasi and this environment why active.
I want to see Ghana flag in all the principal streets.
Oh yes.
I think say from Teke, Joshua, I think that it should be.
It should be.
Now, who's a political party there will crew. You want to tell name for the MPP. I am with them. MPP with their doors. Want to tell MPP flags in the crew.
Kase, Yanfa Ghana flag. Yes. Now flag, MPP flag and walk from here. You freeze.
Oh,
Ghana flag. You started well.
Yes.
Oh, say Yanfa Ghana flag and
yes.
Good. And you know, before I am a desewa who say MPP flag and walk from there. And you know the end say yeah. The Ghana flag. Baby Shebo Kina na yefe.
Namu dia MPP dia naka.
Who the MPP flag?
Oh, masa. Come on, too. Oh, but no go to try yappy baby.
Empire na me born how. Empire na me born how.
I don't want me kasa.
Unkwa sorry.
François Mamiti.
Unkwa sorry.
O ma men kasa. O men kama se don't interject mo men kama se.
Okay, Zuba Mamiti François na yen hwe.
So I said and the other start here no.
Yeah,
other Kofi Wadama. Whom say Adwada Ebe so.
Okay.
The former mayor of Kumasi. Yura.
Yeah.
Akwesi Ajimai odampem so e ne tumpem mesre Kumasi papa obesom Kumasi mai
okay
it no Jordan ebe so yenko ta opem so achi neja yenko yura na yemi man be fitting barrier
okay
now on the 27th so ya na yi kama amana efe.
I agree
obi maka we no
yeah
easy so obi what she say on the 18th of April will be ama obi abetro ne din me fa kwanya yin so ade abodawro say easy say 18th April obi abetro ne din dia ene emre ne so a obi a make sure say wakosa line e won the polling station no make sure say ne din yeren e wo ho obi na mebe but say wo ka bibi say ex-president Mahama Mewa.
Yeah.
What's it day? So, could we say, Hawa, Wadama, dear Papa Kaino, Sabubu, Naman Senior Santi.
Oh, now one taste.
Oh, Mrs. Hawa, Wadama, just in a minute.
Okay.
So that's here.
Some Caso Munti asem na ombe twaso no maye new biometric register enye bibia esio mutiso. Se kobase ntawantawa ene ntokwa ebesi oman mu a so mu pie no mka se ye ne aye.
What's wrong with this?
Obi ekobase ntawantawa ne ntokwa obi ena mebe panmu bi bisa na sem say is ex-president Mahama a statesman or a warmonger?
Oh,
As me asama obi bisa me na me bisa wa say.
No, okay.
Odi obi bisa me no say, is he a statesman? Ana warmonger? Me man na me say obi say Nana Akufo-Addo akabi pen. That time what position was he holding? No way president. No the president pen. What the what di anima wa pay di. Look, why assemblyman? Why a MP? Why a deputy minister? Why minister? Why vice president? Why na ex-president Muhammad Nhyira is a woman organizer. And no say akwanya wa han kobedi.
He's a lucky man.
He's a lucky person. Look, he's a lucky person. The set of ex-presidents who the oka who Kofi share unim say the baby mawa ya this kind of on your friend his excellency me your friend be so the make can say oh you Kofi Annan na papa do si kasa unim say empanifo kan say when I was a child I spoke like a child. But to say the many of it, even if Obakaya, time out the Delhi president Atamos won't say, we had Nene and Kasamu different. Ex-President Mahama, a dear Yakotronti, a deal, easy for night. Almost say on the 18th of April, Yenina Kosalai. Yankocho edi foforo. What's one tiase? One and I'm abonting. Health work. Chairman saying nyina say, dear easy no episode yer mom preso. Obi. Say lay person be and yes I did not. And I don't have a problem.
Okay.
But when it is coming from someone who is supposed to be a statesman, Obi, give me some of the characteristics of a statesman. The way you conduct yourself. Even when people are wishing for war, a statesman, what should come out? They say free bano should not be something that will bring war. And something, we have means of conducting. You over control.
But he knows better. He can warn. He can see what you do not see. Presiding over the whole country.
Presiding over the whole country. Is that the only means of seeking
redress when there is danger?
Kofi may say, if the EC, baby, now preswa Kofi, Obakai, and then the difference between ex-president Mahama and the current president. The current president Obakaya, look. What's it? Your call Supreme Court. Or say, and nanuma sem, and some by and some Supreme Court judges like I know. Or say, but or accepted the court's way decision. Who do you say? And some by and can Supreme Court or final verdict by
okay.
As some man can make me free. Nana Akufo-Addo bebano kebetimi yaba okwamba
possibly
yes, but the man stood on his ground. That time he not one tasty the presidency pay. Would you want tasty presidency pay? Even say easily ya dear crown when you want. Akobi, what are some of the avenues that you could go? You could go to the court. Dear papaya and some of papaya came on medina who ya papa.
I see.
I never expected say Matty be say Efrenum. Why? It won't nipa bako. It is a one mayor president you say because of you. We see a man saying yamfa secretary try home. Is that what you mean? Say because say the open is to say what mature the fronti. Where me no can say. Now I was thinking say my airbus in some buy no. Enka obembie na no kra ka say enim guasia baby Ghana no me in my regime you can say but at least say period and as airbus enim guasia na abeka Ghana. What is what can want him? Now rather no you are inciting Ghanaians who say amount for say almost sorry what can kotima Kobi na Now, when you say Obi make a statement, you should be able to sit down and look at it. Or this is a BBC? I didn't ever see. Any control, I didn't ever see.
Okay.
Okay. When current president is looking at how best acquire road at that asantimante webeye acquire nipa enya juma benya jumaye. Look, when we are looking at innovations, bringing something new, thinking out of the box, no, ex-president Mahama and Nkofo, no, they are only looking at singing war songs.
Okay.
Look at the vice president. Digitizing the economy day in and day out. Now, as you sit here, it is easy to acquire passport.
Yeah.
It is easy to acquire driving license. And not the bomb cry. Then ECG. Right? Just take your phone. Kofi.
What check here? Because me check here means anything.
Oh, Kofi. Na fe na na bana to boss here.
Oh, okay. Sana me home premier.
Oh, pro. To boss. Kofi, me say Ghana best abrochi.
I see.
Look at the things we say me say NDC for no
let's touch on the three other issues.
ECG mobile app you started 2015.
What started there 2015?
Catch it.
Mama Jad no 2015.
Evidence in
other evidence
oh, okay. It was ECG bill. Is it that Mama a woman's media so on a Play Store?
ECG mobile early access.
Oh, okay.
It started 2015.
Early access, but maybe the functions of this may be different from.
When I know most of me as Sandy.
When the BBI yesterday 2015.
Abba, Francois, you are not happy, brother.
Yes, I mean, business no.
Okay.
Sante Casano. Omo come from me Sante for so monte. What I say? Na minim say umti Mahama ndino umtia no muhumu anyina. Na so na mu kontintin. Aka record back was a Mahama or ye free assembly man nyina aka baako.
Any say
assembly
man Kreku. And a first one within the African context. The former president will be winning here. Or Kofi no sabi winning here. Nti the Mahama yi nyina aka baako so the council. Only the only Ghanaian president you two ni free akunya so no san ko ni mfi na pepe Ghana for za ne ba aka no ya ka ho usu usrio hwansum ebe hyew nyame ahyira no se de mo amugi tum se nyame ahyira no free tetetete aka ahyira last one nyame de betua to ebe ba so oni de guase e wo asase so twi kasa monte asema wo kan nyina wo se mo ye languages no na mo ya de be mo se caution conditional clause meboa na nyama na ya mo kaka sa o se koba se bibi ba ye de be si mutre so now ye ne na mabonte so aye dede no ye asem nyina ne se apato a ehun enna ho emu nye fine e di wo ye ne bebre aba ewo amaman eso. And this a year about to about not you did a few or yes, say no, ni no man na chess on the original Bakwafa, or ye dear, ebeba. It is a winner penny beer. Or why am she see man in mine? No catch him say, my dear Muye, Muntia Fabakun, Muntia, Asamba, ye the best hour. On Ganja Asamubo, or this Asamba, why are you say, who didn't feel so the man for Casa Wuntin, Sasam Koba, ye the best show. And I was on Montipi Casa Musan Koni and Chem. Now, me ba Galam Sins and Zemswa. Me, ya say, Wayen Abibrim Potem Hatino. The issue about climate change and said that make kai yen discussions are. Yeah, Awaha. Me kai say, me ya bafa. Revolutionary days no. Okay. Na Ghana ni any war and no my fire bobre ho pa since a bad democratic period. On say so na TV so GTV so na advert be so say when the last tree dies the last man dies. Okay, is I don't know.
Yeah.
No more, no more. I back because when your child gets diarrhea, mash kinky water. I was not tying all those ones. Net yet you. Say when the last tree dies, the last man dies, and I'm yammy shimmy. Jam is a mamma. Indeed, Nipabia would ya. And they Sabra woman, they had been 18 for so.
Yeah, man, 19th.
Was in so I shall say.
Eto. Because last year, Valentine Day shoot.
Virtually every year, be a 5th February 14th. Now, Sabra, you know, a cry for outdoor air pump. No more shit. Indeed, almost shit a move for no anticipate say. By this time in so 20 March, now in no by no Yasha say Adrian. As we speak, and 20th, almost 19th, in so called crowns of them. Now here we almost on Saturday. I say, where the master start to say the Encanino, you do 18th December or air corner. Sibia, we must yet dry and from Mano, SCTNO, Sabe Pena Sabri, and from Manasa reverted back. Aqua. Oh no, you do give nature say. Fair there be humidity. And we are in so many moisture and critics are and no money now. You are a Ghana memoir. The Galamse, I say no. Sure. And I use so no so. I won't mind news on your dear Galamse, so there. I say no. And now, no, me say Ghana waterfall. Yeah, I announcement say, and check. The dam seem be close down. Me, me. Internamo angel from I'm because I'm tisadena baby I'm yam shame first or bossy. Because or bossy yam soon a fan of fee or dasso. Okay. Or that. Into that hona ye damono. Unfortunately, a copy Amasia Central District. Indeed, administratively, any or bossing in soon severe. You need to me cry jurisdiction now. Yeah, why you bamboo beer. Let me a day abo until there be a dying in your war Amasia Central home. And on my boy and Sabin. And that me cocotea, na Ghana Water Company for a announcement emphatic. Say, enche or that's so. Or that home treatment plant no on be close now. Because in so I ban any the cost of treatment no. I have, you know, of course, I have some data on that one. As at 2015. Now, originally, by waterfall, never yes, answer no my was in the Coffee Club, ADA school in Portman. Now, in so on, Kenya 1.2 million gallons a day. As at 2015, Kenya 400,000 gallons, 457,000 gallons a day. Now 57,000 gallons a day. The cost of treating that 457,000 was 4 times that which we're using to treat 1.2 million. And when we're getting less, the Eboka times 4 to get less. What did I say? It's near Eboka 2 million and then they have 1.2 million gallons now. Eboka 80 million and they have 450,000. And clearly, no business will flourish in that condition. As we speak, we are getting less than 300,000 gallons. And the cost of treating that 300,000 is about 6 times the cost of treating 1.2 million.
That means I say, for interventions, I might would have been worse.
Intervention, man. For one tier figures now, from 457 to Nhyira. It's not worse. We have lost over 150 gallons in this period. In an era, yes, 2 gallons. This is when you lose more water. Now, the cost of treating the water is 6 times the cost of treating 1.2 million. Indeed, if it was 4 times in 2015, now it is 6 times. It means that suddenly a book 2 million in the day 1.2 million gallons now. So say you book 1,002. And yet they are the same 300 gallons. I didn't hear you.
I see.
And sometimes me fear for areas to say or wabi to say often insua efidi or wabi ni often no ebia ni insu ahodo na galamsey no say no any pra and cobra enkonko serve bebia inso ana. And then you come to listen to the amount of money aban try e dey fight galamsey. And then you go to look at the statistics. You try $150 million. Say yeah, they quotia galamsey. Now, 150 million also invest in no. Yes, omo more and kata akwa ampo a omo ye adwuma ye betimi regularize omo inspector divisions of mineral commission betimi akọ regulate ahwe omo de ye ma obi agya adwuma for 1 year no obi a anya adwuma ewo ekwa ye mu ne ememe ayeso. Enti if after all this data nature say the situation has worsened again you do $150 million in a year.
Wrap up your point on that.
Kofi, $150 million in a year then. And then in so no I worse than time year started galamsey fight no. And so bia na essay I require a galamsey fight na no. Oba ko do ne e worse. Until $150 million year then. Then you come to think about it. Say na ba no pe opportunity eyi mpo omo won krata na free odi on party for akwa na because who tete akuse ko usi asema galamsey no mo ye de party Nhyira eno no mo de bon party hu bra oba fa ba bia se frempon bo asen ba je aboso papa na okobra wu no no so mfa mpafe ena ode nam na nkofo so galamsey so omo ye so excavators e court se ena no document bi amehwe wa city TV for omako chibi wo akwetia nkofo excavators aya 15 what I say omuti excavators no mo san to man nkofo mo ba se mo be fight galamsey ana se mo de galamsey no ebe boye nkro no
Francois obi mo de aboye kro no adu sen na do se na mo nya de afi my home party
mo de aboye kro no adu sen kobi
observe we streaming live on our Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM but na call na share all our videos na ye part of the discussion mamenka was said ne ye peska in FIFA cro after so obus market ya kakra na obinya no you need to engage in other ventures ebeboa na wenyeska then the best opportunity ubetimi yenyeska just a week between about $1,000 and over a new network marketing company aba. It is just food supplement and a woody one dance here. Your instructors baby education any prospect we obehuna when any beka and any beje it is a presentation and yamia do my fiada ebe 3 p.m. at 12 p.m. yeah it was City Star building abebio express dan kasirimu ewa makum kwasiada so just by 3 p.m. another presentation baso Sunday 1 hour per Sunday yes echo WhatsApp line we near reserve seat amount you be a news car just come and listen to the presentation 0243 189436 0243 189436 0243 189436. Now I a part of the presentation. It's a wonderful opportunity at the mount. So we teach new we are by you may be a win yajuma crowd with you know between Swenyeska Eddie Francois. Mami intio but answer and just listen to this. na abusafo dina ho
obuze ku ne jeme ne
abusafo ho ye de
yes adu
the radiase there have been several calls on the former president to apologize over the comments with the Electoral Commission and Manfo Gidi say is inciting the people of Ghana against the commission. on Bono, but if another Danko Akufo-Addo then I can order the die now for a taking up there, then they think that this comment is equally explosive one. And of course there should be an apology. What they are not changing the minority who do on say Ghana for should hold President Akufo-Addo responsible for excavators on the floor of Parliament. The local government minister said there be 300 excavator naira, just 34 to can afford to get it right. Was it 34?
But your almost become 500. And I'm telling you about 300.
A very interesting point.
Bakufa go to. Bakufa go to. Yes, Bakufa for Akuhunu. Or that's anyway. Yes, I can. But Mincha with Tifo. Na. Incha. And this is for ma. Sabi Wajimena. Or haying in a. Now, Tia and so. Now, Kuvi.
Yeah.
Medical bad day or day a lot of commission, you know.
Yeah.
Former President Mahama. Anything different from the men's and I come on. The men's and I some work and say, baby Cobonia, you who don't know responsible. Yeah, on one casa. And there's a Nippon or Koya, and say, baby Coboni. You who know be responsible. Now, Obusa would are going to be, and so say, so my baby Cobonia, one year the babu trees. A difference over the day. You cannot equate this to what I be there. What I be there in the violence. We there, a foot and her man no man common in the boss of war. What I say, and a normal common and 1 year months when you mensa. Say yet me bidding, not bidding process no, or more, ye selective woman, or winning baits no. Near boning in egu. No, Timiko catch a woman quiet bait in back. Say, any pass messy, any pass a person Akufo-Addo, any interest in a human inti. Yeah, 2 bits, a mobile in who. Near Sakuya bed for. Now, my medical selected the air convenient for President Akufo-Addo. And Macobonia, young would no responsible. What I say, and clearly, gentlemen's conduct. Ne kasa ebi biano onye consensus builder.
Okay.
She's never conducted herself to be a neutral arbiter. Clearly, utimi say wachia na adwen say or ye bibi.
Okay.
Reasons are a bit man ye de oye ne be mienu. Ye kan and they say bia before President Akufo-Addo be appointed, di kan ko ye nje mu de bi nti she has an agenda. Our baby executing.
That is an assumption.
Mentina me say Abia manfo. What I say? Mentina me say Abia. They toss me no Abia. Procurement breaches here. Ekoko so he. Uso say abani 10 obedem. And also there nyame ya dum na abani 10 obedem.
What are the procurement breaches?
Because say I be a tender. Abia winning. The least performer. Another that could be another bidding process. I'm on 85%.
Okay.
What did they mention? I say, and those infractions are serious. What did they mention? I say, that's bia. Say, yeah, then tree. Yeah. Uncanatone. Okofor the secret ingredient. Better can say. Then tree be an eternal and cow. We have come out comfort. Now, comfort the wood, cranking out the go. What about a community?
I see.
What to them? It is because of these two fear. A lot of us are apprehensive.
Okay.
About what it is to come. But the empire boy and they say, a very year by between. So we are in the Timopo.
Yeah.
Say, I bet you dream. But you are moving back. When you go to Kunu time.
That is serious.
Me say, Ubia and Adrian say, or do you move back? And now I bet Shabano de Amobia. So how you mem? Ah, yes, soon. Only a cry, what bonny trim of posse, a banner say you're free and fair, you're ton of fine. sɛ nyankopɔn tene n'ani hwɛ asase so no wɔyɛ Ghana kurom a no nso obi afa abato ho adwembɔne a ɔtumfo nyankopɔn ɔnkɔ nipa no ansa na time so bɔne
ɛwɔ sɛ musuro sɛ abato no bɛtumi akɔ baabi obi bɛbia mo aba mu no did you make any that attempt
ɛyɛ mpaeɛ na mebɔ sɛ
ana sɛ mpaeɛ wei de ano ahye
na Bible anim ɔsɛ no atafo a ɔto on so wɛ no momfa mo mmra me asafo na menko mo ɛne Bible me na metwerɛ
asa deɛ ahomtie bi
what is me printing press what is me printing press Kofi empire bond de tete me da bia me empire me bon say Awurade Ghana me ya yetim ye mpe basa ye mpe sakasaka e ma batu nti okra baako enhwere ne nkwa
ye galamsey issue na aban ho asem no wonim me gisa be gina say ex-president Mahama onye statesman.
Oh, come on.
But we don't say come on.
He is.
Look at the characteristics of a statesman. One, bedrock of principles. What are the principles underlying what ex-president
fairness and transparency.
Two, fairness.
Transparency, fairness.
Moral,
part of the
moral compass. Kobe.
How do you describe moral compass?
Let me.
When somebody wants to avert disaster. Somebody is giving an advice to avert disaster. Avert the disaster.
A moral compass. A statesman does not govern by public opinion. By public opinion polls, but instead make decisions by following his own moral compass that is rooted in the sense of absolute right and absolute wrong. Kofi, is it right?
To advise
ex-president Obe advice say easy ya de bi o mpene so woni nye ho wo se amanfo ensori waka.
Did he say that?
Can't you draw?
Can't cancel being sorry waka.
One for waka mamundie, one ka waka mamundie. That the all patch and say o si akom esia akom. Kobi advertise many fear the Fourth Republic.
Anka akom to quite different from akom.
Na Kobi this catch no kra no tume.
And to quite this.
Thank you, mami.
Be discipline. Come on to where former MCU. Asa, my kasam.
University for there kwa one chance doom
was said apart from moral compass the person should have a vision.
Okay,
it's the ex-president Mahama the vision today. The vision say because say ECC and Tony for now president
enough of
but the last one before I go there. If he lacks the ability to build a consensus.
Very good, and that's what he's trying to build.
Wait,
sir. So I don't listen to answer. And that's what the man
build a consensus.
What's about it? I find a voice Mahama can
say Kofi. Wouldn't say Ghana ha your court. And I say ex-president on your court Supreme Court. That's how you see. Demonstration will you get your results from demonstration?
Okay.
You will not get your results from court. That's your court. That's easy. Don't compare voter register.
Thank you. Time this Francois undermining
next time. So in the bar.
Okay.
Remember the way anyone complain.
I will not, but he will not do it. I mean you. Yeah. You lost it. The minority said President Akufo should be held responsible
for
excavators, Iranian mining, anti-galamsey, the Akosune. You lost the fight.
So are you following what they are saying?
That's what they are saying.
That is what they are saying.
Yes.
That is what they are saying. It's never true. The man have said.
Zuba, I'm sorry. We're distracting. I mean to you.
Organizer, excavators no way.
Francois, I mean to you. Zuba,
Obi, MPP, you bar power. Right from day one.
Yeah.
And now, current president was saying, Adie Bia, Yabaya, and making sure say the right things are done. Or vegetation. And was saying, look, let's do things the right way. A quanya amount for a fossil at the effort a form a good year. And never it's young a quanya near my year. Aye. Obi, and near my banner expert a current person.
150 million.
Well, making sure say the right things have been done. No, Okobon so boy say.
Excavators no way.
Obi, Ghanaian said the former president Mahama Khan, so we have short memory. We don't have short memory. We don't have short memory because Okobebia, 1% excavators in some. So they buy a Europe Airbus in some Europe in that refugee trap. Airbus in some and then refugee trap.
Okay.
Ex-President Mahama.
Yeah.
By now, thank you.
Just in one word. In one word, we expectation watch now. State of the nation address. Just
me, my expectation is so high.
Okay.
Look, Ghanaians are who baby near war.
Okay.
And baby have a drew.
Thank you.
Baby near war. And then you man you
your one word expectation.
The about me can get to a no be no babeka.
The about me kind. And is it not true? Say data spoke for itself.
Thank you. We did Adriana Bakofi Asante on behalf of the team. Mama, special good morning. And then you the launch of Calvary Method is Buakwa Mercru midweek divine service. Metron Safro special one. Now Obabija. Yes, so for very Reverend Gosram and Kwamponsa and Ebeba launch media. Now watchna and so a free hour da kusini kwesiada. A camp meeting special one Buakwa Circuit of the Methodist Church Ghana. Bobading Neshia Mepacho 20 a 6th of March a fufu party in Shrive Menima will be on to the camera na be fufu for free choba for Munina Witimaba na Mababe participate sports team at the Motwaso a Jande chair now Trevisan Social Kramunya.
Hi, my name is Stephen Apia, former captain of the senior national team.